Snacking has a bad reputation when it really shouldn't. The thing is that it's often not snacking in itself that's an issue. It's either what type of snack you're having or the way that you're snacking. So today we're gonna see how to make a balanced snack and how to snack in a healthy way. The way that you can make snacking a healthy part of your diet is if you view your snack as like a mini meal. This means that it's going to have a set time, or at least a time window within which you are going to be eating it. And also it's going to be balanced and have enough food and ingredients that will keep you nourished and satisfied. So the type of snacking you don't want to be doing is what I like to call grazing, meaning that you're just going to open a pack of chips here and there and then have that, and then like 30 minutes later have some chocolate, and then 30 minutes later you're going to have some more chips, and 30 minutes later have some ice cream, and you just do that on and on throughout the whole day. So you're not really taking the time to sit down and to enjoy a balanced meal. And so if you graze like that, that's not healthy. So what you need to do in order to make a balanced snack is you want there to be a combo of these things. Fiber will help keep you full, slow your digestion, and just reduce blood sugar spikes, keep your blood sugar more in check. Protein will also help you feel full and support muscle maintenance. Healthy fats will also slow down digestion and help assimilate certain vitamins and nutrients, and they will add satisfaction to your snack. So if you have this combo of ingredients, or at least two of the three, then you're going to be able to have a snack that is going to bring you nutrients and also that will last and keep you full for a long amount of time. And that way you are going to be less likely to overeat, let's say for your dinner, because you're going to be full and satisfied from your snack. Now when it comes to timing is important. You want to make sure that you're having your snack during this extended period of time in between two meals. So let's say that you have your lunch at noon and then your dinner at 6. That's going to be a whole 6 hours without eating. So if you have a snack around 3:30, that's going to be a nice time to get in some nutrients and energy. Or if you have your snack at like 5 and your breakfast is noon, you want to throw in a snack around 9. That way you're going to get an energy boost to help last you through the morning. Now we've got the balance down, we've got the timing down. Another thing you want to be mindful of is the enjoyment factor. There are a bunch of ways to make healthy balanced snacks that aren't really satisfying, and if you're not satisfied with the snack you're eating, it's not really going to fulfill its entire purpose. It's going to take care of your physical hunger, which is good, but you're probably not going to be emotionally satisfied with that snack, and so you're going to end up grazing on something else anyway. So if you force yourself to eat a plain rice cake that tastes disgusting to you, versus if you take some nice whole bread with some nut butter and some fruit on top, it's going to be much more satisfying and also more balanced with more nutrients. So now let's step into the kitchen and look at some actual snack examples. So the thing about building balanced snacks is that you want them to be available in your pantry, in your kitchen at all times, because if you have the balanced snack ideas but you always need to go out and get the stuff, you're not going to do that. So every week I like to make a little list and look at what I already have and look at what I need to buy in order to keep on making my balanced snacks and having these options. So I'm going to do that right now. So I know that I have some whole wheat bread that I need to eat before it gets stale. I know that I have some yogurt that I want to use up. I know that I already have peanut butter, but I am out of cashew butter, and the rest I need to buy. So we're gonna go do that right now.
Feel so stupid for falling for you. Should've listened to my
Okay, I'm back from the groceries. I got a bunch of stuff to make the snacks, and I'm gonna show you how to make the snacks, so there's no excuse.
get so close, then you might understand, but I'm a
So I'm actually gonna put all of this behind me so that I can focus on one snack at a time. Okay, so now let's look at some snack examples. Now, one of my favorite ones, and I think easiest to do, is just whole wheat bread with nut butter and fruit. So I have my nice slice of bread here. Now, everybody probably knows about the peanut butter banana combo, but have you heard about cashew butter and raspberries? It's literally my favorite. I love it so much. Raspberries are one of my favorite fruits as well, so this is great. And so with this snack, you have the fiber from the whole grain bread, and then you have some healthy fats and protein from the cashew butter, and you have some more fiber and some nutrients, antioxidants, things like that, vitamins from the raspberries. And so as I was saying earlier, you can do this with banana and peanut butter, but I like to also have banana and peanut butter just like together. I like to just chop up my banana into little pieces and then spread some peanut butter on there. And the reason why this works is that banana is high in carbs, healthy carbs, great carbs for your health, but so you don't necessarily need bread on top of that. If you have the full banana, you're gonna get the healthy carbs from there, and then you're gonna get the healthy fats and the protein from the nut butter. Another one of my favorites when I don't have a lot of time and I'm not that hungry, yogurt, blueberries, and granola.
Wait. What do you like about this girl? I mean, there's like a lot of things. I'd probably start with...
With this snack, you have protein from the yogurt because it's skyr yogurt, very high in protein. And then you have the fiber and the antioxidants from the blueberries. And then you have some crunch and carby pleasure from the granola. Now it's time for one of my favorite snacks ever, hummus. And it's much better when you make it yourself. So here are the ingredients that you need. So obviously you need chickpeas. That's the main ingredient. Then you need olive oil. Can't do it without olive oil. Now you guys are gonna be happy because I brought the tahini, because every time I make hummus, I say I like it better without tahini and then people get mad at me. So I got tahini for the true recipe. And then you need garlic as well. And then for seasoning, I like to put obviously salt, pepper, and then cumin. So let us make that right now. Also, don't ask me the measurements of anything. I literally eyeball everything. I just like to do it how I feel like it's gonna taste good, and then I just adapt it to my own taste.
Whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. She keeps me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man, you should know that I've been saying no, but maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long.
Yummy. It's super garlicky. That's just the way I like it. So then what I do is I either just leave it in this because it's airtight. You know, I just put the lid back on. It's wonderful like that. And then I just take some baby carrots. You can take any veggie you like, and that way is such an easy way to get in the healthy carbs and the healthy protein and the healthy fats from the chickpeas, and then you have the fiber and vitamins from the carrots. Dates are another super easy one that you can just put whatever you want in them. I love to put some nut butter inside and then maybe like some chocolate chips as well, and it's just such a delicious treat filled with healthy carbs from the dates, protein and fat from the nut butter, and little pleasure aspect of the chocolate. And this transitions nicely into our on-the-go snacks, because sometimes you just don't have the time to make all the previous snacks, even though a lot of them are very quick. But the dates, you can totally pre-make them. If you cut up the date like this, open it up, take out the pit, and then you put a little bit of whatever nut butter you want inside, and then you take some chocolate chips and then you put them like inside like this. Look how cute this looks. And then you do that for however many dates you want to do, and then you stick them in the freezer for a couple hours, and then when you take them out, you're gonna have this nice little snack that you can take on the go, put it in a little bag, put it in some wrap, whatever, and then eat it on the go. Or just eat it in your house, but you don't have to make it because it's already made. Making smoothies are also a great way that you can make something in advance and then take it on the go. I have a bunch of smoothie like recipes or ways to make smoothies. If you watch my what I eat in a day videos, you'll see some of my smoothie rotation. Another super easy snack you can make in advance is make your own trail mix. Literally just get all the stuff you like and you mix it into a little container. You can mix it into Ziploc bags as well, so you can grab one on the go when needed. And it's so easy. and it's much better than the pre-made ones you can buy. So I'm putting in some cashews, some almonds, some raisins. Yes, I like raisins. Actually, I know this may seem weird to a lot of people. Some pumpkin seeds. I get them roasted and salty because I feel like it makes the whole thing taste a little better. And some chocolate chips. Oh wait, I forgot pecans. Pecans are super healthy as well. And here's my little mix, and that way it's pre-made. I just pop a lid on it, and then I can just snack on it whenever I feel like it. And there is so much fiber, protein, and healthy fats in this little mix. And now for the days where you really don't have time at all, you can't even pre-make certain snacks, I suggest you have some pre-made options on hand. Some of my favorites are these feed bars. I talk about them all the time, but just any bars in general. I will include a list of ones that I like and are good options nutritionally, but I really love these. They also have like the full meal replacement versions, but I like these little bars for snacking. They're pretty high in protein. There's a bunch of healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and drinkable yogurt is also pretty good. You want to pair that with a fruit that you can easily like grab on the go, like an apple or a clementine or a banana. And then you take this little drinkable yogurt, you're going to get some protein and fat in there, plus you have the fiber, carbs from the fruit, and it's pretty balanced for an on-the-go snack. And here's a little overview of all of the snacks, all of my favorite snacks, balanced snack options that I really suggest you keep in your home. So I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments which snack is your favorite, which snack you like to have. Give us some ideas. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and see you on my next one. Bye.